Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic text by applying text animations and also effect on CapCut. So here I'm going to start by adding the text first. Okay, so to make a dynamic text you can just go to animations, and in here you can add up to 3 animations in the in, out, and also loop. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding the in animation. So for example, I want to add the flip up animation, so just click on the animation and then I'm going to add the loop first. Okay, maybe the shake. I'm going to make it slow, and then you can also add the loop. Okay, after you finish, just click on the check icon. Then you can see your text will become dynamic like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye bye.